and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use to get a person out of the passenger front of an RV and into a wheelchair. This is a detail video and it's designed to be seen in conjunction with other videos that you'll see in the notes field down below this video. So our first step here is going to be to hook up the sling. Second, hook up the arms, legs first, arms second. You'll notice there's lots and lots of movement here, so we got lots of flexibility. Once we get all the way up, we simply put the person right over the wheelchair, position, and lower. Again, this is a detail video, so to get more general information, you'll want to check out the videos in the notes field down below. And of course, the lift can be moved all over the place. We can remove the lift. And all you've got left is the mount right here. Please check out the videos in the notes field down below and give us a call at 607-669-4822. Daytimes, evenings and weekends, anytime, 615-873-0518. We're very happy to talk to you. Check out the notes in the notes field down below. Lots of other good videos, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for checking out our video.